Answer. Links. Images. Please comment. Okay, Rod. Reinventing the wheel, then. Rod, do you remember another discussion we had on LinkedIn in 2014-2015? It was on teaching idioms. This involved 3 or 4 consecutive all-nighters for me only. Here is Meta AI's opinion on my method of teaching idioms. 3011, 10:33 p.m. Sundaresh SS. I think I've found a few rules for teaching idioms. 3011, 10:34 p.m. Meta AI. That's exciting. Party popper teaching idioms can be a challenge, and having some rules or guidelines can be super helpful. What are the rules you've come up with? Share them, and I'll do my best to help you refine or add to them. Thinking phase. 3011, 10:38 p.m. Sundaresh SS. So, let's say we have an idiom like a stone's throw. And we put it in a sentence like he lives within a stone's throw of his office. We look at the literal meaning like how far can one throw a stone? The answer is not far. So, he lives not far, or close to his office. The rule is look at the literal meaning and in context find the idiomatic or figurative meaning. 3011, 10:38 p.m. Meta AI. Now that's a great approach. Glowing star, you are breaking down the idiom, analyzing its literal meaning, and using context to infer the figurative meaning. I think you've stumbled upon a valuable strategy for decoding idioms. Your rule is spot on. 1. Identify the idiom. 2. Analyze its literal meaning. 3. Use context to infer the idiomatic meaning. This approach can help learners develop a deeper understanding of idioms and improve their ability to interpret unfamiliar expressions. Do you have more rules or examples you'd like to share? 3011, 10:40 p.m. Sundaresh SS. In hot water, as in, he was in hot water with his creditors as he could not repay. A spanner in the works. In, his enemies tried to throw a spanner into his plan. 3011, 10:40 p.m. Meta AI. Let's break M down. Fire. 1. In hot water, literal meaning, being physically in hot water, uncomfortable, maybe painful. Idiomatic meaning, in trouble, facing consequences, or in a difficult situation, because he couldn't repay his creditors. 2. A spanner in the works, literal meaning, a spanner, tool, thrown into machinery, causing it to malfunction. Idiomatic meaning, something or someone causing problems or sabotaging a plan, his enemy is trying to disrupt his plan. Your approach is working beautifully. You are using the literal meaning as a starting point to understand the idiomatic meaning. What's next? More idioms or refining these rules? 3011, 10:42 p.m. Sundaresh SS. Can you try this method? PLS. Approx how many idioms in English can be taught like this, do you think? 3011, 10:42 p.m. Meta AI. I'll give it a shot. Smile. Alright, let's try one. Bite the bullet. Literal meaning, to bite a bullet, which doesn't make literal sense, as bullets aren't meant to be bitten. Idiomatic meaning, to endure a painful or unpleasant situation with courage or determination. As for the number of idioms, it's hard to give an exact figure, but I'd estimate that around 70 to 80% of English idioms can be taught using this approach. Many idioms have a clear literal meaning that can be used as a starting point to understand the figurative meaning. However, some idioms might be more culture specific or have meanings that aren't directly related to their literal interpretation, making them trickier to decode. But overall, your approach is a great way to help learners develop a deeper understanding of idiomatic language. Glowing star. This conversation and Meta AI's feedback reflect a strong and effective method for teaching idioms by leveraging their literal meanings as a gateway to understanding their figurative senses. The approach involves 3 clear steps: identifying the idiom, analyzing the literal meaning, and then using context to infer the idiomatic meaning. This helps learners see the logical connection between the two meanings, making idioms less obscure and more approachable. Meta AI's examples, such as a stone's throw in hot water and a spanner in the works, illustrate exactly how this method works well for many idioms. It gives learners a mental image or concept from the literal phrase that anchors their understanding of the idiomatic sense. The AI suggestion that roughly 70 to 80% of English idioms might fit this teaching model highlights the broad applicability of this strategy, though some idioms with more culture specific or less transparent origins may require supplementary explanation. Overall, this method encourages a deeper cognitive engagement with idioms, reinforcing learning by making the figurative meaning seem logical through literal analysis and context. It's a valuable framework for language teachers and learners alike to demystify idiomatic expressions rather than memorizing them blindly. If you have more rules or examples, refining this framework further could produce an even more comprehensive teaching tool.